Hey, so the last time I've told you about my Samsung Galaxy S7 with a problem and the charging port was a small fire, and this time it's my Precision 5510 from Dell. 2 days ago I discovered that I had a problem with the touchpad, that I could not press down anymore. So the normal touch function worked properly, but I couldn't use the mechanical click function anymore. It works now again, but what I discovered 2 days ago, that the surface of the touchpad rises a little bit above the housing, and I compared it to the notebook of a colleague which has the same model, and there everything works perfectly. And then yesterday I received an email by Dell that they say they want to replace the battery in my notebook because it could expand mechanically. And so an obvious reason for a touchpad which is popped up could be a battery that expands under it. This morning the mechanical click function works because the notebook is cooled down, but I will check it over the day if it will expand again and will be unusable again, and then I will open it and check it. I will tell you more about it later. So I'm on my way to work actually, and here's a short update. So in the email that Dell sent to me, they asked me to go to the webpage dellproduct.com and to enter the service tag of the device. If you do not receive this email, but you're unsure or if your IT received it or not, the service tag is under the magnetic lid on the bottom side of your notebook, and then go to dellproduct.com and enter your service tag, and the system will tell you if your battery needs a replacement or not. And there I entered all my details to deliver a new battery to me. You can choose if you want to have a new battery or if you want to have a service date. And then I wanted to send this information, but the confirmation page did not appear. It became an error page, and when I retried to enter everything, they told me that my device is already registered, but I did not receive any confirmation at all. So next step is to call Dell and see what their Romanian call center will tell me about the status of my replacement battery. So here's a short update on my Dell Precision 5510 and its battery problem. So I called with Dell after having problems with sending the replacement battery request via the web form, and they told me after I reached the German call center, which is not very common, that they have enough batteries and they will send one to me immediately for a replacement. And since I called in the morning, it should be at UPS already in the afternoon and the next day at my site. So, and now, since 2 days, I'm not sure if you can see it, the order is ready to be processed for UPS, so it's packed and it's somewhere in the Netherlands to be shipped, but UPS does not fetch it, so it doesn't pick it up. So what's going on, Dell? So I have to call them again. So now back with something new. The new battery from Dell arrived. It was registered at UPS that it was not picked up, but it arrived anyway today. So now I removed all the screws from the back of the notebook, and we will open it now and check how the battery looks. And that's quite easy to see. You can see bubbles on 4 of the battery cells here. And you can see the new battery is completely flat. So I will now remove the screws and remove the battery, and we'll take a closer look at it. So 7 screws and 1 connector later. The battery should be removable, and from the back side, so you can even see problems with the 4 cells here, while at the replacement battery all the cells are flat. And we'll now put in the new battery and return the old battery, which you can see now here in detail. There you can see the 4 cells with the expansion at the top. Yeah, basically that's that. I will install the new battery and hope everything works. So I'm quite happy that I've, after now 2 years, a new battery in my notebook. It was down to 60 watt hours already from 84 watt hours. And thanks Dell for the fast replacement. And let's hope that the new battery will last longer than the old one.